6 tips to stay updated on social media platforms. Tips to stay updated on social media platforms are: official sources. Follow the official sources of the platform that you use, e.g. Instagram blogs, Facebook newsroom, etc. Join online communities. Join Facebook groups, Instagram groups and other influencers and experts. Use analytical tools. Use Instagram Insights, Facebook Insight, YouTube Analytics and other social media analytical tools that will optimize and measure your performance. Experiment with new formats. Use new formats provided by social media such as Reels, Stories, podcasts, and newsletters. Learn from others. Follow, listen and watch others who are successful in the same thing you want to do. Keep an open mind. There is always room for growth, so always seek opportunities to learn something new that can expand, improve and impact